Hello and welcome to this webinar from Royal Cyber Websphere Portal team. Royal Cyber is based in Illinois. We have served many Fortune 500 companies since 1997. We offer cutting-edge IT services globally and help organizations both in public and private sector to improve and modernize their services. Our vision is to shape lives of our customers with state-of-the-art technology solutions, leadership, innovation, and partnership. To date, Royal Cyber has grown into a reputable IT firm not only in US but also in Europe, Middle East, South Asia markets. As you can see our presence, we are headquartered in United States with branch offices in Canada, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Pakistan, India, and Australia. We cover almost all the brands of IBM, including middleware, Tivoli, modernization, e-commerce, rational tools, BI. We offer a vast area of expertise and provide solutions on various technologies. As you can see, we are IBM Premier Business Partner and also we are authorized trainer of IBM. We are also Microsoft Gold Certified Partner as well. Why you should choose Royal Cyber? Well, we are the industry leader. We have been in the market from 15 years now and we have various satisfied customers. We offer best prices, we offer great technical consultants, and we provide end-to-end solutions for any business need, from SMBs to medium businesses to enterprise. We provide best-in-class services and consultancy. We have 24/7 support and we provide tailor-made solutions as well. Here you can see some of our clientele, some of our satisfied customers from the financial market, manufacturing and retail, telecom, research and technology, automobile, healthcare, and life sciences. To name a few, we have Everett, Marsh, Ford, Infor, Ascendant, Plumtree, Navazon, Fiserv, Aramark, and more. These are our Websphere Portal clients. We have worked for Aramark, Windsor Essex, Sinovate, Trust Companies, Restaurant.com, WebRadar, Ascendant, and Odati School of Business. Okay, coming back to the agenda of today's webinar. First, we are going to introduce you about IBM Websphere Portal. Then we explain what is Web Experience Factory. We will then discuss the migration and the issues related to it. We will see contingency and disaster recovery. We will see how IBM Websphere Portal is integrated with web content management and with IBM connections for blogs, chat and communities. We will also see how business processes works in a social web experience context and how web processes are integrated. And last, we will see how mobile enabled portals work. Okay, so what is IBM Websphere Portal? Well, if we look at the simplest definition of a web portal, it is a centralized place where you can get all your information on a single point. It provides your internal, external users as well as your customers and partners a place where they can find all the relevant information without any loss of time and money. They have all the options available in a single place, and so they can work well and easily. When we talk about Websphere Portal, it is a custom branded enterprise multi-channel portal and have capabilities that help you deliver a highly personalized social portal experience for your customers. It gives a single point of access to the application, services, information and social connections they need. It helps you increase visitor response and reduce web operations cost. It is a scalable platform and architecture that delivers Web 2.0 capabilities on next generation devices and channels. And it is very flexible and is integrated with social collaboration solutions, instant messaging, chatting, emailing and other as well. It includes core enterprise portal services like role-based access to applications and content, search personalization and security features. And as Stephen Layson, IBM Portal Architect, said, a complete portal solution should provide users with convenient access to everything they need to get their task done anytime, anywhere in a secured manner. Moving forward, let's look at the Websphere Portal framework. So if you look at the framework, you see that there are information access layer at the bottom, and in the middle we have framework services, integration services, content services and collaboration services. Multiple devices can connect to these services and can consume data from the information access layer. Multiple communities like customers, sales, marketing, pre-built, employee, intranet, they can connect using those devices and can use those services. You can integrate industry portals with Websphere Portal like banking and finance, insurance, retail, government, and consumer packaged goods. It helps you build a scalable and reliable portal that helps improve employee productivity and increase loyalty. It delivers a single point of personalized interaction with applications, content, process, and people. It integrates business processes and portal users through orchestrated workflows. It features IBM Workplace Web Content Management for keeping your portal up to date, accurate, and in control. Provides powerful collaboration capabilities such as instant messaging, team workplaces, people finder, and e-meetings, and enables quick portal integration with backend systems through portlet builders and open standards. Coming on to Web Experience Factory version 8. Well, IBM Websphere Experience Web Experience Factory included with Websphere Portal and is available separately, provides an exceptional development environments that help you optimize mobile experiences, reducing reliance on bandwidth and improving responsiveness of mobile applications with new client-side architecture. It is a development environment that comes with pre-built builders and models. You can use those builders and models and can make your portlets readily, easily, and rapidly as well. It uses on smartphones. It improves user experience with new Dojo mobile tooling for building engaging mobile experience, and improve developer productivity with new builder and development environment enhancements. Let's look at the migration and the issues related to it. Royal Cyber is helping IBM's existing clients to migrate from older portal versions to the latest releases like version 8 or 8.5. We are convincing clients to migrate to the latest version. We show them the business and technical benefits of migration through live demos and POCs, and we provide them smooth migration with complete ownership from Royal Cyber Experience consultants. We have a very experienced team in Royal Cyber, and we provide end-to-end support and services for migration from start to till the end. Now let's look at some of the prerequisites. So in the prerequisites, from the infrastructure side, if we look at it, we need to know the product version and the family of the product, like which version is installed and to what version it would be best transferred to, migrated to, you can say. The hardware on which the portal server is deployed, the operating system that is being used currently, and to what operating system, either 32-bit or 64-bit, and the user registries as well. If you are using a standalone LDAP, or if you are using custom user registry, federated repositories, Then we have databases. What database is being used in the backend at this point, and either it would be supported on the higher version, or we need to upgrade the database as well. Is it being supported or not? The web server, similarly, that is being used, is it supported or we need to upgrade that? So these are some of the prerequisites we look at before we migrate. Now let's look at the factors that affect migration plan. Now the scale and time of migration varies due to the following factors. What is the deployment structure and architecture? The LDAP being used in the environment, is there any single sign-on required? What are the databases that are being used? Is it a cluster environment or standalone database? Do we need to create DR site as well? And then what other softwares need to be integrated with Websphere Portal, like quicker connections, same time? Is load balancing and failover are required? So during the migration we look at all these factors, and Royal Cyber provides end-to-end support and administration migration for all this. We plan, migrate and test for Websphere Portal complete architecture. On this slide you will see some migration paths. As you can see that if you have Websphere Portal Express in place, it can only be migrated to version 8 of Websphere Portal Express only. You cannot migrate that on Websphere Portal version 8 enable or extend. Similarly, if you look at the other versions like Websphere Portal version 6.1 enable or extend, you can migrate them to the same version and offering of version 8. Like you can migrate version 6.1 enable and extend to version 8 enable and extend only. And if you look at Web Content Manager version 6 on Websphere Application Server version 6, you can only migrate that to Web Content Manager version 8. Same goes with version 7. If you have enable or extend Websphere Portal Server version 7 in place, then you can upgrade that to enable and extend Websphere Portal version 8 only. If you have Websphere Portal Server version 7, you can directly migrate that to Websphere Portal version 8 enable and extend. That is a supported migration. And similarly, if you have Web Content Manager version 7, you can migrate that to version 8 Web Content Manager directly. Now in the bottom you'll be seeing this note that before you migrate to any higher version, you must apply the latest available fix pack. For example, if you are going to migrate version 6.1, the latest fix packs in the market are 6.105 and 6.106. So you need to apply any one of the following fix pack on version 6.101 before you migrate to version 8. Okay, here we have shown some tasks and estimated time they require. Like if you are deploying a portal and database server, how much time duration it will take, and these are estimated timelines. And as you can see, the code migration timeline and the theme and skin development timeline are basically can vary because it depends on the code in your portal and the skins and themes that are being deployed on the portal. So this is a basic estimated timeline that we make. You can have an idea of that from the slide, how we do that. Okay, in contingency and disaster recovery, the plan is devised according to the client needs that are designed to balance the trade-off between resources applied and benefits gained. In contingency planning, experts from different domains such as database, security, networking, and OS are involved to implement standard and secure practices and brainstorm for possible scenarios and solutions, such as what is the plan if the database disk drive crashes, what is the plan if the WebSphere application server becomes non-responsive, what is the plan if the web server becomes unavailable, and all the important data is being backed up, and testing of if there is any DR side, then testing of that DR side. So all these points are taken in consideration before making a contingency and disaster recovery plan. Now we have extensive development experience of web content management, and on this slide you will see some of the Wickham services we have provided in the past, like planning, designing and implementing Wickham environment, creating and managing contents, rendering documents, integrating Wickham with DB2, rendering content through Wickham API, Websphere Portal Server content portlet, viewer installation and configuration, LDAP integration with Wicom, customization of Wicom graphical user interface, workflows, replication of database, syndication of Wicom instances, and so forth. So you will have an idea of the services that we provide on web content management and how we integrate that with Portal using Portlet and other means. Okay, integrating with Websphere Portal with IBM connections for blog, chat, and communities. We have extensive expertise and experience in that. We have done integration with IBM Connections 3.0 as well as with 4.5 and with 4.0 IBM Connections as well. The deployment includes the installation of IBM Connections, and the newer version of Connections include the Connections Content Manager as well to hold the documents and all the information of users, and we can integrate that with Websphere Portal, and you can use portlets to display the communities and the library from within Portal, so to provide ease of use to the Portal users, and they can have a centralized place to view and communicate, coordinate with their communities and with their colleagues and peers as well. Okay, in this slide you can see how business process is actually is being integrated within a social web experience, enabling customer to surface BPM activities in context of social web content or other applications on a portal page. So this shows you that the renovations task portlet you can see here is being used in this portal, and it displays the BPM process activities within the context of a social community on a portal page. Moving forward, how business process is being integrated in Websphere Portal. How does it works? Well, the unified task list portlets is being used, and it allows users to claim and process tasks assigned to them. As each task is selected for processing, a corresponding page application instance can be launched, or the task ID can be shared with other portlets in the site. For task pages, each instance is passed the context for the specific task being processed. Multiple pages of the same type can be instantiated. Pages go away as each task is completed. Portal's navigation paradigm is not only role-based but also includes activities in progress user context. So this is how the portlets are being used and can be controlled from other portlets as well. Okay, here you can see the mobile experience using Portal, how the look and feel is being controlled and adjusted on the smartphone's screen. You can see the look and feel, the top banner and the menu being adjusted in the smartphone, how the site navigation, the page layout is being adjusted on the smartphone, and this can be achieved from responsive themes. If you're using responsive themes in your Websphere portal and you're using Worklight, so you can control these look and feel, site navigation and page layout stuff. Now some more information on the difference between a standalone application and a multi-channel application. On the right hand side you can see that a standalone application is being used, and you can see the difference that it provides information for that specific application or the context is being used in, and on the left hand side you can see a multi-channel site that aggregates multiple application and content in a single place. So the characteristics difference is very much visible if you look at the images. A standalone application is like IBM connections or same time. A multi-channel application is like desktop browser, smartphone and tablets. And the solutions being used in a standalone application, we use Websphere application server, web experience factory, rapid application development environment, Worklight Studio. And multi-channel site we use Websphere Portal, mobile experience, web experience factory, rapid application developer portal tools, mobile portal accelerators, Worklight runtime hybrid sites. So this gives you an idea on the difference between a multi-channel site and a standalone site, and I'm sure this has cleared up a lot of your questions in mind for the difference of why we use portals and what are the benefits of using portals. Okay, what is a social portal? So over here we try to explain you what is a social portal and why we should use it. Actually, social portal is a web experience that is being presented either in intranet, extranet or on websites that seamlessly weaves social capabilities with content and application. The result is enhanced collaboration capabilities and improved business processes. So in a social portal, people, social content, web content and applications are all weaves together, are all bind together and provided on a single point, on a single place. On this slide we try to show you that on a portal you are integrating it with content and services from many sources like applications, content, data coming from cloud feeds, social collaboration, consumer applications. So all of this combined With Web 2.0 and social capabilities, employee intranets and partner extranets helps drive better business outcomes. All these applications are readily available in a single point, in a single place, and it facilitates the users, customers, partners, employees, everyone to perform their task more quickly and efficiently without ever leaving the portal. Now let's look at some of the case studies from Royal Cyber. Aramark, who is our an old and a big you can say portal user. Aramark approaches us with a vision in mind to have a portal on their complete purchasing solution. They belongs to a hospitality industry, and they provide services for food, facilities management, uniform, carrier, apparels to healthcare institutions, universities and schools. So Royal Cyber built their complete portal of a purchasing solution where customers can log in and employees as well can log in. They can create their own menus, their recipes. They can create their schedules of delivery and the items they required, and they can then put them in a cart and order them. So we designed this whole portal in a in Websphere Portal, and using web content management at the back end, and we provide them 24/7 support. We also migrated the portal from version 6 to version 6.1, and then from 6.1 to version 7.0.5. So here is one case study, and the services we provided were the installation, configuration and administration, as well as clustering services in the production environment as well. We built custom development, integration and migrations for them. We perform performance tuning and troubleshooting. We provide them routine support, deployment and automation scripts, and we also train the admin team and mentor them as well. Royal Cyber delivery expertise is a rich set of user interface capabilities that features presentation, customization, application integration, providing pre-built portlets, portlet palettes, drag and drop portlets, administration, single sign-on, search, personalization, composite templates, cluster support. In components, we provide Websphere application server, databases, LDAP directory server, Tivoli directory server, Websphere portlet factory. It is a rich desktop-like application interface with improved performance and increased end user productivity and satisfaction. We can also deliver situational development, user control, Ajax support, and much more. Royal Cyber services in context with reduced deployment cost, complexity, and maintenance. We provide faster, more flexible staging to production operations with site management and enhancements. We provide support on performance by offloading portlets to better manage portal performance, by separating portlets to different JVM processes, by means of distributing to different servers and JVMs. It provides use of multiple JVMs for running your portal, isolates untrusted portlets from portal, execute mission critical portlets in their own JVM, enhance scalability for heavy portlets. So by using these tools like Websphere Portal Server, Collaboration Accelerator, Business Process Accelerator, Mobile Portal Accelerator, Dashboard Accelerator, Content Accelerator, and Mashup Center, we deliver a rich customer and employee portal experience. And we did that for numerous customers, well satisfied customers. And the technologies that are being employed were these. So in last, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You can also email your questions at portaladmin@royalcyber.com, or you can contact us directly at 630-355-6292. Thank you very much for attending this webinar, and we wish you a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.